Yes, dear students, now here in this video I will be telling you about refrigerator. Carnot ideal refrigerator is the heading today. Till now I taught you heat engine. Heat engine is a device which converts heat into work and explain efficiency, etc. In heat engine, the working substance takes heat from hot body, converts a part of that into work, and by rejecting the remaining heat to the environment or sink, it returns to the original state. And by repeating the cycle, we can obtain work from heat engine. But what is refrigerator? A device which is used to extract heat from cold body and give to hot body or give to hot place or transfer to hot place is a refrigerator. But heat cannot flow from cold body to hot body itself. So it means something extra has to be done. So it is exactly reverse. Heat engine operating in reverse order act as a refrigerator. Here we represent here the symbolic diagram. Hot body, cold body, working substance. Working substance. This is the symbolic diagram of refrigerator. Now how does it work? The principle I told you, it takes heat, say Q2, from the cold body. I told you just now that heat cannot flow from cold to hot itself. Something has to be done. I will explain, I will link how this process is performed. By doing some work from outside, greater amount of heat is given to the hot body. This is the working. Then you may be thinking, how does this take place? Ultimately, how does working substance take heat from cold body to working substance? Here is the problem. When I was a student, I was in trouble. But when I became teacher, I learned all these things. I read so many books. So it is natural that heat flows from hot body to cold body. I told you a process of vaporization, boiling. In boiling or vaporization, a liquid converts into gas by taking heat, which is called latent heat. Latent heat. There are some gases which have very low boiling point, like ammonia, freon gas. So actually here I want to explain you how does refrigerator work. Here this is a refrigerant. So here we use tubes through which we pass gas, and this gas here is kept here. Here is the valve, and here gas is kept in liquid form, and this is condenser. What is condenser? Where gas is liquefied, and here is compressor. Actually this is called high pressure side, low pressure side, low pressure, and it is high pressure side. it is not in our syllabus. I want to link the working of refrigerator with actual refrigerator we use. This is a valve here called throttle valve. Here the gas is liquefied form. You know, I have told you when we decrease pressure, boiling point decreases. When we decrease pressure, boiling point of liquid decreases. To this side, the gas is thrown liquid form from high pressure side to low pressure side. As the gas comes to the lower pressure side, it evaporates, and for evaporation, liquid takes heat, latent heat. So when we pass through this is the environment from where heat is taken. Goes gas and liquid in the form of gas goes this way. This is compressor here. Compressor send the gas from low side to higher pressure side where it is cooled by this condenser, and this process goes on. You might have seen the coils in your refrigerator home. Heat does not flow from hot body to cold body itself. This is the linear diagram of refrigerator. Low pressure side, here the gas is kept in liquid form. Through this throttle valve, gas is thrown from high pressure side to lower pressure side. Pressure is kept low here. At low pressure, gas evaporates, take latent heat of vaporization from the surrounding and make the environment cool. And if this process continues, the temperature will keep on decreasing and the environment is cooled. So this is simply a process of refrigerator, but Carnot ideal refrigerator. We are not thinking any other. The ideal, why I am calling ideal? Actually, every machine has different parts. Some loss of energy take place. I am not talking of those loss of energy. Sorry, here it is heat Q2. So I told you it has main three parts like heat engine, hot body, working substance, cold body. Purpose of refrigerator is to take heat from cold body after doing some work on it. Who was doing work? Compressor and throttle valve are doing work. So after doing some work, a greater amount of heat given to the hot body. This is the working of refrigerator. Now there is term here, coefficient of performance. Coefficient of performance. Performance. I write it as K. Coefficient of performance of refrigerator. What is the purpose of refrigerator? To extract heat. The amount of heat extracted from cold body per unit work done. Per unit work done is called COP, coefficient of performance. Yani K is equal to Q2 upon W. Simple. Our aim of refrigerator, which refrigerator is said to be good one, which takes large heat on small expenditure of work done. But if you are cycling, that you feel the cycle good by doing less effort, it moves faster. And purpose of cycling is to obtain mechanical advantage, to gain speed. Similarly, the purpose of refrigerator is to extract heat from cold body and give to hot body on doing some work. So, if larger the heat extracted and smaller the work done on the refrigerator, then it is called good refrigerator. K equal to Q2 upon W. But W equal to Q1 minus Q2. So K equal to Q2 upon Q1 minus Q2 is equal to 1 upon Q1 upon Q2 minus 1. For ideal Carnot cycle, Q1 upon Q2 equal to T1 upon T2 I have proved. I have proved all those Carnot's cycle to understand all these things. And or Q2 K is equal to 1 upon T1 upon T2 minus rho is equal to, or K is equal to T2 upon T1 minus T2. Remember K is Q2 upon W. Heat extracted per unit work done. It is called coefficient of performance. We can improve the coefficient of performance by having good insulation of refrigerator, but that's the only thing. And coefficient of performance varies typically from 5 to 6, in the range of 5 to 6. Now I want to tell one thing more. In one interview, people ask you and try to find in you the general awareness. We have gone only to syllabus only. This is not sufficient. I was asked, what is heat pump? Now you know you use many heat pumps. So what is heat pump? What is the refrigerator? What is the difference? Every pump send a thing from lower side to higher side. Like your cycle pump, you fill up air in your tires of car and cycle at high pressure. So that pump send the air from low pressure side to high pressure side. Like this compressor, why doing this? Carnot refrigerator take heat from cold body and give to hot body. The purpose of refrigerator is to extract heat from cold body and give. Where it goes, that other matter. But work done, heat extracted per unit work done from cold body, coefficient performance. Heat pump is the device which give heat to hot body. The purpose, and so coefficient of performance of heat pump. So heat pump device which work again in reverse order of heat engine. That is equal to K is equal to Q1 upon W. Heat rejected to hot body per unit work done on the heat is called coefficient of performance of, and it is again Q1 upon Q1 minus Q2, or it is equal to 1 upon 1 minus Q2 upon Q1 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus T2 upon T1 is equal to T1 upon T1 minus T2. So purpose of heat pump is to send heat to hot body. Suppose you want a source of heat and you are using that heat of the hot body. If the heat is extracted from hot body, then temperature will go down, and you want to maintain the hot body at same temperature. It means at what rate you have taken heat, you have to supply to that. So this was all about the heat pump and refrigerator. Read good books, do numericals, and dear student, I am working here for those students who are deprived of many facilities, like they can't reach a teacher, they can't afford large good fees of good coaching centers. Actually, you are yourself your coach. Try to find out your fault, what don't understand, read the book, ask any your friend in your surrounding. Many people are there who know so many things. Approach them, but work hard. In the morning I was reading newspaper, I got disturbed. Now the problem are created by some people for their vested interest. I read a story of a 15-year-old boy whose father, mother, grandparents all died, and he had two siblings. How to upbring them? He belongs to a farmer family, which is a marginal farmer. So you have to make your arrangement as good as possible. Where are you living? If you don't have book, you can get your from many people are there to help you. Please, I am doing this work. I request all of you, please subscribe. Ask your friend to subscribe my video and like them and share them, so that my message goes to the people and they read this, watch my videos. I have only this purpose because I get disturbed when I see distorted system. Big building there, teacher is not there. Teacher is there, he does not want to teach the students. I have, you see, a great problem. I don't want to tell you everything you hear, but you are your best coach and best judge of yourself. Find your fault, not of others. Improve that. Now, so this was my message today. So I request you, please work hard, read books, and apply your own brain also. Don't go that the book is always right. Many things I have read wrongly interpreted in good books also. So my aim is not to find the fault of others. My aim is to improve everyone, to improve myself. So this was all about heat engine. Now the remaining thing here is second law of thermodynamics. There is simple statement of second law. Actually, total amount of work done can be converted into heat. Total amount of work done by us can be into heat. If we rub 2 stones in water, the work done by us get converted into heat and water may get warm while the condition of stone remains as such. But converse of this, that is, the heat contained by water, heat possessed by water cannot be completely converted into work. Total heat in heat engine you have seen. The limitation of heat engine that it takes heat from hot body, convert a part of that into work and reject the remaining heat to cold body. In this process, first law of thermodynamics is not violated. Then why does not total heat current work? There is no answer to it. What is not the answer? By first law of thermodynamics, that is second law. So there are two famous statements of second law of thermodynamics you can read from the book. One is Kelvin-Planck statement. Kelvin-Planck statement. What is that? There is no heat engine which can convert whole of the heat taken from hot body into work, or there is no heat engine which can work without sink. This is one statement. This is one statement of second law of thermodynamics. The second is one class statement that says that no sink is there which can extract heat from cold body and reject it to hot body without doing any work. So these are two famous statements. regarding second law of thermodynamics. Now next video, just now I will solve many problems for you. Please learn them, and for NEET student there will certainly be a question in NEET exam on the efficiency of engine or Carnot cycle and this refrigerator. Thank you.